feel like something's missing.
Like what? A rug? I found one. Let's go get it.
You gotta get out of the driver's seat.
NASCAR driver Zane Smith lives life in the fast lane.
We don't have to go anywhere for just any rug.
But you know I like to drive.
Let's just have RiteRug Flooring bring their store to us. It's free and fast.
I'll just go grab my keys.
It's RiteRug Flooring.
Oh, that was fast.
With expert advice, Zane and McCall can get their flooring just right.
So we need a rug that can survive Kygo and Roxy and Zane.
We definitely have pet-friendly and husband-friendly options. We can even do custom area rugs.
How custom? I love it.
I love it. In the garage? No. We'll take this one. This is much better. This is more like it. It's perfect.
And fast.
Right here.